चोय हांवें फाटीं गेलस्टॉम इंडस्ट्रीज पिसुर्लेचे गुजरातचे ऑफिशियल्स येयले आनी तांकां सील केले म्हूण ते आसा आनी हांवें ते काडलेलो हिशोब आनी हांवें विचारलो आमगे एक्सायज इन्स्पेक्टर कितें करता आनी हाव कॅन दीस गो ऑन विदाउट द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ दी हायर अप्स. आतां काल ही गाडी एक उजो पेटलो, ड्रायव्हर पडोन गेलो आनी म्हूण रूट कितें परत बाटली मेळ्ळी. I am told, subject to verification, that these are adulterated or excess quantity, I don't know what. But how did these liquor bottles leave the distillery? There has to be a permit, there has to be a transport permit, there has to be clearance from the factory premises, and then there has to be accountability. How this raw alcohol came in, how it is utilized, what is the balance remaining. This is all a racket going on in the Excise Department, and I charge the government for being complicit in this. Kon Astola from very high involved in this kind of a racket which is going on. It cannot go on without the blessings of excise officials who are in the know, excise inspectors, and finally somebody right up in the government.